Alright people, this is your boy Critical G. Thank you. Back at it again with a little video. Today we're gonna do our next one. We're gonna be in Sando itself, but that's a different part of Sando. Last time I really didn't get to get called City in my last video. And some other parts are like more closer to Laramie, there's on Pennywise side right now. So like my boy Marky TV, yeah, so also known as a dog gamer. Yeah, thank you myself there. Yeah, it is. Right, so just gonna get some nice quick footage for you guys, so you guys can actually get to see like Bel Air, you guys see the sea view and stuff like that. Also dropping another footage, you guys get to see the creek and stuff like that. So you guys, hope you guys actually enjoy that. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and all this. Show some love. Watch to the end. This, you never know what you could find. failure, but to get some recording. Rain cut off about 2-3 times, but it's small thing, as you guys can see the weather. Truly failure, please wet stuff like that. You know this. It's a bonus to the end, you know this. Few people have been following my channel a long time, right? To show you guys that the plants actually bearing already, you know, so it actually have pimentos and stuff on the trees, you know, so I've not been on while, I'm gonna give you guys an update. Right? Actually have hot pepper on the tree as well. So you guys haven't seen, so you guys can follow what I just normally do. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Comment, like, subscribe to the channel, you know how it is. And I'm out.